Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. The word Pramatan is also significant. Pramata refers to one who cannot control his senses. The entire material world is being exploited by the people who are Pramata or Vimudha. Prahlad Maharaj therefore said, So chetato vimukha chetasa indriyartha maya sukhaya bhram uddahata vimudhan. They are rooting in material activities for transient material pleasure and spoiling their lives, toiling all day and night simply for sense gratification with no attachment for love of Godhead. I am simply lamenting for them and devising various plans to deliver them from the clutches of Maya. Karmis who act very seriously for sense gratification are always referred to in the Shastras by such terms as Pramata, Vimudha and Vimukha. They are killed by Maya. I have heard one who is Apramata, a sane, sober person, a Dhira, knows very well that a human being's primary duty is to render service to the Supreme Person. Maya is always ready to kill those who are Pramata with her invisible bows and arrows. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.